Krea AI versus Remini. Which one actually does a better job with AI image editing? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going real talk on Krea AI and Remini, two tools a lot of people are using to enhance or generate images with AI, so you can decide which one fits your needs best. Let's start with Krea AI. Krea is built for generating images from scratch using sliders instead of just text prompts. You can tweak things like detail, mood, lighting, and more in real time. Perfect if you're into concept art, quick edits, or playing around with visual ideas without typing long prompts. Now let's talk about Remini. Remini is more focused on enhancing and restoring old photos. It uses AI to sharpen blurry images, add detail to low-res pictures, and even animate faces from stills. Great if you want to bring old memories back to life or clean up images fast. So which one is better? If you're into generating new visuals or tweaking them live, Krea AI wins. But if you're working with old photos, portraits, or want to upscale blurry shots, Remini might be the better tool. Both use AI in smart ways, just for different kinds of image work. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.